The murder of 64-year-old Marilyn Ferris was unspeakably brutal. Police say two men, 20-year-old Jose Villagomez and 29-year-old Victor Aureliano Martinez Ramirez, broke into her home while she was sleeping, beat her over the head with a hammer, sexually assaulted, and then murdered her. Even more devastating, the Santa Maria police chief says, is that Martinez Ramirez is an illegal immigrant from Mexico who has been arrested several times but never deported, frustrating Santa Maria Police Chief Ralph Martin.
2 weeks before this murder, Santa Maria police officers arrested him for possession of meth. And you know what we had to do? We had to cite him out. That's the problem with the system.
Martinez Ramirez's arrest record in the region goes back 6 years. In 2009, he was arrested for driving without a license, but Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, didn't request a detainer, which would keep someone who was in custody from being released by police. In 2014, he was charged with felony assault and attempted sexual assault. But when the charge was dropped down to a misdemeanor battery, the sheriff's department determined it didn't meet a federal court standard for holding someone because ICE never provided a court order or a warrant. And on July 17th of this year, another arrest for possession of a weapon and of meth. Martinez Ramirez was sentenced to 30 days in jail, which he was set to start serving in October. ICE, again, didn't request a detainer. Instead, Martinez Ramirez was released just 4 days before the attack on Ferris.
I think this is a national issue. I think it starts in Washington, D.C. with this administration that we see and their policies. I am not remiss to say that from Washington, D.C. to Sacramento, there's a blood trail into the bedroom of Marilyn Ferris.
Both Villagomez and Martinez Ramirez are now being held on bond, charged with burglary, rape, and murder. Ferris's family released a statement thanking the community and said she was a, quote, much-loved member of our family and she will be greatly missed.